Hello. Hello. Thank you so much for joining me today. So, something that's going on in Germany right now that I just wanted to make sure I fully understood, the gravity of the situation. I really don't know if it's that big a deal or not. Is the winter storms going on in Germany right now. So let's do it. We got a little clip here, and then I've got some clips. This looks pretty bad. Those snow drifts are like all the way up to the window on this car, just about. Anyway, yeah, let's see how bad it is. What's going on in Germany with the snowstorms?
Stay inside. That's the message from meteorologists from Britain to France to Germany, as two storms, Goretti and Ellie, batter the north of Europe with intense winds and heavy snow and ice. Nearly 400,000 households in France were left without power after Storm Goretti swept across the northwest. Gusts of up to 216 kilometres per hour registered in the northwestern Manche region.
216 kilometres per hour? I have to convert that to freedom units, guys. Oh. That makes me laugh every time, especially right now. It's just such a stupid thing to say. Freedom units. 134 mile per hour. Holy shit. I've never even drove that fast, guys. You got to go to the Autobahn to go that fast.
In terms of material damage, a large number of roads have been blocked by fallen trees and branches. Services are currently working to restore traffic across the department.
Okay.
In Brittany, a peninsular region which extends into the Atlantic Ocean, waves between 10 and 13 metres high crashed over some coastal areas.
Damn.
Parts of the UK experienced their worst snowfall in a decade, as hurricane-force winds forced the closure of rail lines, motorways and key roads. Authorities have issued multiple strong weather warnings. Some 65,000 households lost electricity in Britain. The UK's National Rail has said train services will be affected over the weekend and called on people to avoid travel unless necessary.
I can't tell if this is bad or just like a regular snowstorm.
I mean, yeah, our country can't really cope with snow at all.
Maybe in 2026, after global warming, this is like, whoa, snow!
Sort of adverse weather, everything's shut down. So, I mean, it was half a surprise, but half not. But we thought coming home earlier before the weather warnings would have prevented any stoppage to the journey.
A separate winter storm front, Ellie, hit Germany overnight into Friday, severely disrupting rail traffic in northern Germany. Rail operator Deutsche Bahn temporarily suspended all long-distance services in the north of the country. The German Weather Service said severe weather warnings were in effect due to snow drifts, and numerous states reported accidents on roads caused by icy conditions, including 2 deaths in a car crash in Bavaria.
Okay. All right. Let's look up some city. I'm just curious to look up let's look up Munich weather, get some real idea of what we're dealing with right now. Well, it's going up to 47 in Munich, but there is a warning in Bavaria. Icy surfaces. Okay. What about like Dusseldorf or something? 45, 46. Which, I mean, okay, I guess I should be doing Celsius. It's not very cold, What about like Hamburg? Because this is like northern Germany stuff, right? Okay. Hopefully this is mostly behind us at this point. But let's see. I want to see these clips to see how bad it did get. Holy shit, that is very windy.
So, meint ihr, ich sollte mich einfach hier reinlegen? Ja oder nein? Schreibt es mal in den Kommentaren.
Oh, you have to uncover the windows, guys. In Germany, you have to uncover the windows. How are you gonna lüften? Damn.
Winter storm Ellie swept
That's pretty bad.
across large parts of Germany on Friday,
Damn.
killing at least 3 people and
Wait, what do you mean it killed 3 people?
severely disrupting transport, schools, and public services, particularly in the country's north. Police
Like in car crashes?
said the fatalities occurred in weather-related traffic accidents. In the southern
That's really sad.
state of Bavaria, 2 people were killed in a head-on collision after a car skidded on snow-covered roads. In a separate incident in Bavaria's Upper Palatinate region, a driver died
Look at that semi.
after
Holy
his
shit.
vehicle left the road and crashed into a tree.
Rest in peace.
Storm caused widespread disruption to rail services, with Deutsche Bahn suspending all long-distance trains in northern Germany over safety concerns.
Is that a Unimog? Where's the Unimogs? Oof, this would suck. Wow. Oh, that just looks awful. I'm just imagining that blowing against your face. Ugh. The powdery snow mixed with this high wind. Oh, miserable. Oh, shit.
Rail traffic in and around Hanover, a key transport hub, was brought to a complete standstill. Road travel was also heavily impacted, as stranded trucks blocked several major motorways and authorities warned of extremely hazardous, icy conditions. Ferry services to several North Sea islands were suspended.
I think I've got the gist of it. Let me just go through here to see if there's... Oh my gosh, that's so deep. It looks like the wind really made some snow drifts that are extremely deep in some parts. Oh my gosh. And some parts of Germany got hit much worse, it looks like, than others. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We haven't had any snow like this in Indiana yet this year, which is kind of crazy. We haven't had almost any snow at all. Kind of crazy. In this day and age, that's the day and age we live in, I guess, except not in Germany right now. Damn. Well, I hope you guys are all staying safe. That was interesting. I can't tell if it's really bad. It looks like it's all blowing over now. No pun intended. But, yeah, stay safe, stay warm out there, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.